Alright, well, I guess ask and you shall receive, right? Welcome back, everybody. So, this is a buddy's bike, customer's bike. It's pretty. It's a decent day out here today, so I got a lot of my shit outside, so I got room to get around in the shop. But, his issue is his master cylinder is kind of squishy, and I guess he says it keeps his rear light on. You can see he's had it just duct taped up and didn't use his front brake last season, so I'm probably not going to clean the duct tape off, but I don't see why we can't bust this out and fix it. So to replace this stuff, we're going to get some .4 brake fluid. Doesn't have to be Harley brand. In fact, I recommend not buying from Harley because I don't like it. I like their bikes, I don't like them. I didn't buy this stuff though. Owner of the bike did. After that, here's the brake parts that he got. See, same thing that we can get from JP Cycles for the shovel heads, right? But this comes with motorcycle lube. Fancy. Next thing, anytime you're working with brake fluid, you want a bag. Because even though this stuff says it's not going to screw your paint up, you know, or if you get to it quick enough, it'll be fine. I don't want to take those chances at all, especially with someone else's bike. These things ain't cheap. So first thing that we got to do is we got to get the light and the mirror off. So I'm guessing half. All right, hang on. I got these battery powered ratchets and I almost used a manual ratchet. That's dumb. The lock washer fell, no biggie. Okay, that can hang. That comes out. Collect all your parts. Okay, what else do we got? Looks like some Torx bits. Easy bit. So, a lot of people call these different things. Torx bits, star bits, whatever. And we're going to be running T27. Hey, that might do it. Look at that. Huh. This guy's got a fuckered up seal. Look at that. Shine a light in there, see if that helps you guys. Yeah, kinda. You see that bottom left corner in there. Anyways, once we get it off, you'll be able to see a little bit better. Okay. Fuck. I need 12-point sockets. Hang on. A couple of guys from work found out I have a YouTube channel, so now I got to make sure that I don't use tools that I've stolen from my current job. I can only use tools I've stolen from my previous jobs. Yeah, that stuff's just annoying, right? Yeah, we could open this up and drain this crap out, but I'm a little too dedicated right now. A little tighter than they usually are. What I will do specifically going to use a Coors Light cup. This is what they're good for right here. Not a lot else. Sure shit don't want to drink it. Ugh. Well, suppose that works. We're not dripping at all. Okay. And here's a master cylinder. So let's bring our cup over here. Not to get confused with my coffee. All right. Little Phillips screwdriver action. I've actually never done one of these on a newer bike. So now if you do notice, this bike that I'm working on currently doesn't have ABS, so it doesn't require any kind of fancy vacuum machines and whatnots. So it is about time to change this guy's fluid anyways. Look at that. It's in there, but it's a little icky. But other than that, yeah, I'll hit that with some brake clean, but that's not too bad. Okay. That's not on this bike. Let's get this off. That's a little Jesus clip, C-clip. Right there. Get your pliers in it. I said get your fucking pliers in it. You guys are lucky watching videos like this, because you don't get to see video editing, because I ain't that bright. So if it happens, It happens, like how I'm about to cut the shit out of myself getting this off. So what I'm doing is I don't think I have a set of pliers that smaller. If I do, I'm going to have to go look for them more than I care to. So I slid the razor blade under there, and as I squeezed these to open them up, I just lifted it off with the razor blade. Then push that pin, pull it through, that comes off, this comes off. There's a bushing in here, plastic bushing, make sure that's in okay condition. This one is. Now, looks like we're into parts. And there you can see that, man, there you can see that fucked up seal. Okay, let's take a look, see that. Whew, almost grabbed the picks I stole from work. Can't do that, I got guys watching now, so I gotta go back in, grab these Harbor Freight ones. Man. Okay, like I said, I should really be looking at a manual, but it looks like this seal is separate, so I'm gonna just rip this fucker out. Let's see. Man, this fucker's in there. I'm just ripping this thing out, man. Hope this is entertaining to you guys. Okay, there's a little clip in here, and I've already pulled it out, sorta. Yep. Aha! Brake cleaner. So we're looking at this, and it doesn't look like there's anything else in there. Let me go grab a pair of pliers. Pulls right out. HB, interesting. I don't know what that stands for. How's this tube look? Oh yeah, that's beautiful in there. Perfect. Okay, well, that's trash. Let's see. Tell you what, I'm at 15 minutes, so I'm gonna stop this one. We'll go straight to part 2, and then we'll throw this fucker back on, see if we can do it in less than 15 minutes, 30 seconds. Have fun.